Okay, moving right along. I'm gonna try this Brinks commercial lock. I know I've already done one of these. So I have one. I still have it. It's Big Brother over here, and it's quite a difficult pick. When I was first starting out, it was really difficult to get in there. I was trying bottom of the tension or bottom of the keyway for the longest time, and it would keep getting stuck in there and all that. So when I found out about these pry bars, I was able to fit it in the top there. I can't do it with this one. This is the really thick one. But with the thinner one, it fits right in there, and I was able to get it open pretty fast. My friend borrowed my my thin Peterson, so I wonder if I can try to like jam it in the top here. I wonder if no, it's definitely not gonna take it. It might. No, it's barely in there. It might fall. Yeah, it's gonna fall right out. Let's see. I wonder if I could do this with this one. Yeah, that might work. Let's try that. Where's my hook here? There it is. Alright, and grab my regular standard hook and let's go inside and see what's up. Okay, got a false set right off the bat from the first pin. Counter rotation on 2. I don't think 3 wants to go anywhere. Damn the phone. Shut that phone right up. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go in the back here because I don't think it can reach. So I'm gonna grab this DeForest pick and try to reach the pin in the back there. See if I can get any counter rotation on them. I think it's, yeah, I think that worked. Let's see. Did we drop somebody? We might have dropped somebody. Yep, pin 1 fell down. I think. Get it on there. Oh, I totally lost. There we go. Okay. There it is. I say I lost the false set, but it came back and was able to pick it open, got it open. Very nice lock. I like this. I like these Brinks. The commercial Brinks are the ones that are really good because they got ball bearing locking mechanism, so there's no way you can shim them. The cores are pretty good. They got really nice spools inside of there, and definitely not going to rake something like this, even though it's probably 5 pins. I don't know. Let's take a look at the key. Now that we got it open, we can look at the keys. I'm pretty sure it's 5 pins. If I can get it out of there. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 pins. And they got nice bittings on them sometimes. The low cuts right in the middle sometimes, and they'll really screw you over. Like I had to get out my DeForest pick to get around that. So that was pretty neat. Let's make sure it works. Yep, works great. The ball bearings are really nice and thick shackles, boron alloy, laminated steel, good for locking up like your trailer or your shed, or you're locking your grill up to your fence or something like that. Who knows, bikes, whatever. Works great. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you bjmulli for the lock. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna try get working on this thing. I'm totally incapable, I guess you would say, of picking these interchangeable cores. I got one in here, this American Arrow cylinder. No luck with it yet. I've had it for like 6 months or something like that, so I'm gonna try my best on this one, buddy. We'll see what can happen. Everybody else, happy picking, and thanks for watching.